Hi, how are you guys? Good?
Hey,
Okay,
he's
guys,
giving
I was
safari
saying,
tour.
Here, don't meet anybody because you're the
Tourists.
and be safe.
Yeah.
And your big brother's with you.
Okay.
Any help, just ask me, then I will try my best to make you happy with all the tours. Okay?
This is where celebrities.
You lying.
I've seen other YouTubers come here. And this is the part they come.
Oh my god! We're excited. Can I get a scarf? Is it okay if I get a...
Can I get red?
Drop that thing and pop. Hold on, let me see.
Oh, it's so cute.
Wow, Nene. No, I never do it. Thank you.
And he wanted me to.
I know. Hey.
The bike. And yeah. I heard something really bad happen. Hold on to money. I really hope I can get it. We think he gets it till we get here.
He's not even scared. He's used to this. Je descends pas encore.
Behind the scenes.
Cheers. Nah, these were funny.
You try to put blush on your face.
From where?
TikTok.
Oh, I thought you were gonna use your lipstick and...
The Natasha said you wanted you to record your part. Nice. But Natasha, she's light skinned, I'm brown skinned, you're dark skinned. Get it?
Okay, sure.
It worked!
It actually did.
Whoa!
My affection tryna be down, no fighting, don't stop it.
Can you hold it? Never mind. I want to be in the vlog. Like, I'm tired of vlogging and everybody's in it but me.
If you say that one more time. Why are you threatening my arm? Not okay.
The type of girl I wanna turn into a mama. The type of girl I'm already proud of. I wish you was a normal girl. I wish you was a normal girl.
Bye, camel. With the camels.
But I feel like I'm about to pass out.
I know, we need to sit down.
I need to sit down.
You conquered your fear. She did not want to touch the
I
camel.
like camels and animals. It's just that one was just, you know, the food wasn't really cool. It was like mad.
Amir said no, but I don't think so.
Baby, tell me I never should worry. Extend the story.
I have some chicken shawarma.
You can't even record.
Yeah, it is. Look.
Oh, position the bread. It's like snack.
I have to have it. Because I look like a clown.
It's not.
I got the rise and better to
Look at it. I got water.
Are you gonna come to my house and edit all of this?
Yes.
Okay, making eye contact.
Don't make me laugh.
You have a good time.
can't be in your video.
It's fine, it's a vlog.
I love the way you pop your top and how you lose your cool and how you look at me to say why. Ain't no fighting, no I can't stop it. This took a while. For the way you pump your fist, how you bust your hip for my affection. Tryna be down, no fighting, no stopping, stick around. And you the type of girl I take over the moment.
Yes, I got a shirt on. But yeah, I know we didn't record, but when my auntie's editing, she gonna add the places we've been to or the little recording we did. But we went to the market for a few minutes, not a few minutes, but like 10-20 minutes, and then after we went to a yacht. Y'all can't tell me nothing about it. We went to a yacht yesterday. I said yesterday, today. But yeah, we went on a yacht. And we had our own yacht, a private yacht. What they said, Tantia? What she said? Yeah, make sure you unmute that so. But yeah, we were on a yacht. And then what do we do tomorrow? We're going to the tallest building?
I don't want to listen.
Mama, we don't care.
Hey guys, it is currently 5 p.m. in Dubai, August 5th. When I tell you it's so hot to be filming consistently, like, I'm sorry you guys, but we are on our way to get COVID tested because we want to go to Abu Dhabi. And in order to go to Abu Dhabi, we need to get our COVID test. So my niece and I are gonna go and get tested. You gotta go further down. We're on our way to a pharmacy in the local area. So yeah, got my Fenty Beauty on. You know, and then after the test, we're gonna go to the pool, hang out, take pictures, get in the water. And then, you think we'll have time to go to the market today? Oh, we're doing Burj Khalifa. How do you feel? They stuck that thing so far up my brain.
I don't know how we try to record for them.
We try to record to show you and it's not allowed. And then I try to play it off and he was like, ma'am.
No, he kind of yelled like no.
He didn't yell. He wasn't. He did not.
Very much did yell.
He was firm. He did not scream. He didn't raise his voice. He was just like, it's not allowed.
I don't care.
So,
You could have just said. I'm not to show
is it okay to record? I want to get something from my home. On our way to the top of the Burj Khalifa. It's just me, Nanette, and Amira.
We got in by luck.
We literally got lucky. Like, we got in exactly before they closed. Because I was walking around smelling and looking at home decors. But we're here and we made it. And I'm really excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
From earth to sky. I would think so too. I always thought it was an elevator. Oh, so it's like a museum.
Yeah.
So what the lady told us was that we have until 11:30 because that's when they start closing. Yeah, so we're kind of rushing, but I thought it was like an elevator and you just press the number and go up, but we're on the escalators right now. Are you guys excited? We are getting on the elevator. Oh, we're going to, hey. What floor are we going to?
Level 124. So this is one of the fastest elevators in the world. It's gonna take 60 seconds to go from level 1.
Are we gonna feel it?
No, you're just gonna feel some pressure in your ear.
Okay.
We're moving right now.
We're on level 124. Are you okay? Are you okay, Amira?
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
Very excited. Whoa.
Be careful, baby. Oh my gosh. You should. How cool is that, baby? This is dope. It shows us. Why was the other one looking like sand?
Because it's history one that shows her that.
Say hi, girls. I said say hi. Go ahead. I'm pushing. This looks nicer. I'm not scared. Are you guys scared? You don't look scared. You're like reaching. Have a good time? Yeah. Lena, did you have a good time? Yes. We had a time. Well, we didn't have the time of our lives, but we had a good time. Oh, they do have a gift shop here. Big chicken. You want a bite? You want to try it?
Just because I see that thing that's inside of it. I don't like it.
Damn, I got my little mini hand sanitizer in my bag.
If you're actually hungry, you don't think about hand sanitizer.
I always do. I'm not trying to die, girl.
Rice very different.
Move your big head.
Why only for me to look at the expensive one, more rice. More rice is very expensive.
Okay. So let's you got separated.
Yes, look
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop touching me before I put the camera on you.
I'm just saying she's so cute.
Whoever looks at me, I should dead put them on camera. Homegirl said, I don't have any more money. Like, girl, stop. Say hi, Amira. Say hi. You heard me. You know you heard me, dummy.
I swear I'll never.
It's 6:42 right now. That's how they usually read the dish. Look. So it's 6:42. We left. Oh, we didn't even eat breakfast today. But let me tell you what our day was. Because we left y'all here and we didn't take y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all what happened real quick and what we got planning so far. So yeah. Oh yeah, we woke up at like around 3. We went to go get our COVID test because we have a flight to take on Sunday. We're leaving. And then after we took the test, oh, we went to go eat. I'll make a video. You want to put that in the video? And then we came back to the hotel. My aunt is looking for something.
Now you're telling them every single thing I'm doing. I signed already. I'm 21 today. Period. Say what? I like that. Hi guys, so we took our pictures. I love this necklace. I got it off of Amazon, but I want a real one now. We're waiting to get seated. I don't have my Apple Watch. I don't want to look like a spy kid, so I didn't wear it with my suit. We're just waiting. Our dinner time is for 9:30. They just finished the last one. Well, we're the last one. They just finished the previous one. And then we're gonna come up. It's just me and Mata, Nenette. I call her Nenette, but it's Mata to y'all, right, Nenette? How pretty does she look? She's holding on. Those edges, the humidity is disrespectful. So she's holding on to that. Friends. Oh, my name is Aisha.
Oh, my name is Jennifer.
Jennifer, and yours?
Sylvia.
Sylvia, nice. Salamu alaikum, Ibrahima.
Hi, Ibrahima.
It's dark though. Okay, so I'm Aisha and that's my niece, Mata.
Oh, hi, Marta.
So we made some friends here. We're about to have dinner on the sky. I made a friend, Ibrahim is here too. Ça va bien, tu viens d'où? Where are you from? Oh, New York. What's up, New York? We're from New York too.
I'm gonna go through some safety instructions so that everything goes smoothly. Yeah? Number one, no smoking is allowed during the whole flight. So unfortunately, you cannot smoke up or down. Alright? Second, loose belongings such as your vlog camera and your bags, your everything that is loose. Keep it in front of you to avoid dropping it. Third, the location of the seat does not matter because the table will be rotating 360 degrees.
Guy with me?
No, not at all.
Damn, I was gonna say take my pictures. I made another friend. I'm just making friends here. Say hi to my
Sure, it's good to make friends. Hello.
Thank you. He's making sure it's on camera. If he don't do it right, you have proof.
Yeah.
Okay? This is my baby, so make sure.
What is it?
That's my baby. That's my sister's daughter, so that's my baby.
Sure, you're all serious. You're fine,
Welcome to Ibiza Sensations.
Damn! You tighten me up. This one is loose, my friend. This one is taking care of my baby. Say hi. Okay, make sure your hair is on point, sir.
Hello, 5 subscribers.
I don't got 5 subscribers. Stop playing with me. I have more than that. Okay. I know, right? 5 but 5 million soon, God willing, right? You start from the beginning and you get somewhere. So I can make sure it's here, I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as...
Are you coming to the sky too?
Yes, I'm your safety.
Okay. That's good. I'm gonna make sure you take me some pictures. Okay, take me pictures in the sky? Okay, cool. I'll give you my phone. I'm forcing everybody to be in my vlog. You want to be in my vlog? What's your name? Yusra? Aisha. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't